welcome to my kitchen. Today I want to show you my version of egg salad. First off, I want to show you an appliance that I recently came by that I really swear by it. If you don't have one, you should get one. It's an egg cooker. Basically, this will hold 14 eggs and will boil them. And you can put all the things that you see on the top in your top rack in your dishwasher, so it's easy cleanup. The great thing about this is even if your eggs are super fresh, the peelings come off very easily. So I highly recommend that you go and get one that holds at least 12 eggs. And in my family, we like a lot of boiled eggs in different dishes that I make, so it's worth the investment to get yourself one. Otherwise, you can go ahead and boil your eggs in the traditional style on your stove in water. After the eggs are cooked in this, I still do run them through cold water. And then of course I'm going to go ahead and peel them, which I've already done. So I've got 12 eggs and I'm going to use mayonnaise, and then I'm going to do that to taste depending on, how many eggs you cook will depend on how much mayonnaise that you like, and some people like it creamier than others. So I don't have an exact measurement on that, but I would say around a half a cup or so. And of course I'm going to use salt and pepper. And an optional thing that we do like in ours is onion. I do use a small onion and I do chop it up super fine. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how I cut up my eggs for my salad. Basically, I just take a knife and you want to cut them in half and then in half again. And then I like to go down and make them kind of bite really small pieces. So I'm going to go ahead and finish this up, and when we come back, I'll show you how it all looks. Okay, y'all, as you can see, I've already got our eggs all cut up and I've already started adding some mayonnaise in. I'm gonna put just a little bit more. As I said earlier, this is gonna be about 3/4 of a cup of mayonnaise, just depending on how creamy you like your mayonnaise, your egg salad. And then of course, we're gonna put in some more salt and pepper to taste. Another thing you can always try to add into this is a little bit of celery, chopped finely. If you like celery, would be another good addition to this dish. This is a great sandwich that my family all enjoys. All right, let me go ahead and put some more pepper on there. And a little more salt. It looks like this is what we're gonna be having for lunches this week. But I really hope that you all enjoy this recipe along with all my other recipes on my YouTube channel. I hope you will subscribe to them and check them out because they're all very simple and delicious. I appreciate y'all watching. Have a good evening.